Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we unpack the secrets hidden in plain sight within corporate filings. Today we're diving into if Bancorp's latest report, and let's just say some numbers are looking as steady as a bank vault, while others might make you raise an eyebrow. Stick around because we're about to decode what this really means, and hey, if you're all about getting clear, no fluff insights from these dense documents, make sure you subscribe. We've also got a fantastic community over on Discord, linked in the description below, where we break down even more of this stuff. Alright, so what we've got here is officially called a Form 8K. Think of it as the company's way of telling the world about any big unexpected news that could matter to investors. This particular filing dropped on August 29, 2025, and it's all about announcing their financial results for the quarter and year that ended on June 30, 2025. IF Bancorp Inc. is the parent company, the big umbrella, for Iroquois Federal Savings and Loan Associations, like the corporate headquarters ensuring everything runs smoothly for its main banking operation. Now let's talk about how you'd actually buy a piece of this company. Their main offering is common stock. These are the basic ownership units of IF Bancorp, and if you want to trade them, you'll find them listed on the Nasdaq Stock Market LLC under the ticker symbol IRQ. That's your quick identifier if you're looking them up on a stock tracker. The core of this report, the juicy part for us, falls under item 2.2. This is where they officially announce their financial results. So on August 29, 2025, they put out a press release. This press release is the key piece of information here, giving us the rundown on how they performed financially for the period ending June 30, 2025. And that press release isn't just buried somewhere, they've included it as Exhibit 99.1 in this filing. It's basically the official record of their financial performance announcement. Usually these press releases are designed to give a snapshot of revenue, profit, and other key financial health indicators. We'd expect it to highlight their earnings for the quarter and the full year, giving investors a clear picture of their financial standing. This part is pretty standard boilerplate in all these filings. It's where the company officially signs off declaring that they've met all the reporting requirements. And here we see the date again, August 29, 2025, confirming when this particular report was submitted. This signature, Pamela J. Buckler, Senior Executive Vice President and Chief Financial Officer, is important. It means the Chief Financial Officer, the person ultimately responsible for the company's financial reporting, has reviewed and approved this document. It adds a layer of accountability to the information provided. Now let's think about what usually makes these filings interesting. It's the numbers, right? While this specific 8K doesn't contain detailed financial tables within its text, its purpose is to announce the release of those very numbers. If Bancorp and Company would typically be reporting on things like net interest income, loan growth, deposit levels, and potentially their capital ratios, how much buffer they have against unexpected losses. For a bank, consistent loan growth is usually a good sign, showing they are lending money and earning interest on it, which is their core business. Deposit growth is also crucial as it provides the funds they lend out. Stable or improving net interest margins, which is the difference between the interest they earn on loans and the interest they pay on deposits, is a direct indicator of profitability. When they announce financial results, we'd be looking for trends. Are their revenues growing? Is their profit increasing? How are their bad debts or non-performing loans trending? Rising non-performing loans, trending rising non-performing loans. Trending rising non-performing loans can signal economic trouble for their borrowers and potential losses for the bank. We also pay attention to efficiency ratios, which measure how well they're controlling costs. A lower efficiency ratio generally means a better run operation. Considering if Bancorp operates as a savings and loan association, their strategy would likely revolve around attracting deposits, originating mortgages, and providing other financial services to their local community. Their performance is heavily influenced by interest rate environments, economic conditions in their service areas, and regulatory changes. For instance, if interest rates are rising, it can increase their borrowing costs for deposits, but also allow them to charge more interest on new loans, potentially boosting their net interest margin. However, if rates rise too quickly, it can also make loans more expensive, potentially slowing down loan origination and increasing the risk of borrowers. It can increase their borrowing costs for deposits, but also allow them to charge more interest on new loans, potentially boosting their net interest margin. However, if rates rise too quickly, it can also make loans more expensive, potentially slowing down loan origination and increasing the risk of borrowers defaulting. The fact that they are releasing this announcement on August 29th, reporting on the quarter ending June 30th, suggests a timely release of their financial performance. This allows investors and interested parties to get up-to-date information on the company's health. In terms of our analysis, if Bancorp, like any financial institution, operates in a landscape where confidence and stability are paramount, their reported financial results will be a key indicator of their press release they've attached, which paints the picture of their profitability and operational performance for that specific period, of their press release they've attached, which paints the picture of their profitability and operational performance for that specific period. So, to recap, if Bancorp, the parent of Iroquois Federal Savings and Loan, has filed a Form 8K to announce their financial results for the quarter and year ending June 30, 2025. With the details found in an attached press release, this is crucial information for anyone looking at the company's financial health and future prospects. Alright, that's our breakdown of that If Bancorp filing. What's your take on these types of announcements and what they usually reveal about a company's health? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this decoding was helpful, a quick like really powers our channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more. And seriously, come join the conversation over on our Discord. It's linked right in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next decode.